right, kiddos, now that you have your supplies gathered and a box, we are going to make an at-home sit and reach test thingy. I don't know what it's called. So we're gonna make something that looks like the green one that we use at school, but we're gonna use a box, a ruler, and marker and tape. So this is very, very important. When you first start out your measurement, put the ruler at 7 inches right here. So put it at 7 inches, tape it off, and then start marking your inches from the 7. So this is 7, so then you put a line at the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then take it off, and then continue past that at the mark. So you can do an inch mark, inch, an inch, here, and here. So if we started this at 7 inches when we get started in this box, that means this will be your 8, your 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 inches. So here are your inches right here. It is super important to get an accurate test by putting the 7 here and marking inch, 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 and inch. And guess what? If you don't have a ruler, which I know some of us don't, if you take mom and dad's thumb right here, that is about an inch right there. So if you look at this, I have this little knuckle here is an inch, and then I do it again right there as an inch, inch, inch. So I'd mark a line, 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 line. So that little part right here is about 1 inch anyways. But of course, if you have a ruler, it's much easier. So now that we've marked our box, okay, here is how you actually do the test, all right? What you have to do first is take off your shoes. So put your shoes away, okay? And then you wanna sit nice and straight with your feet both against the box right here. So when you do this test, you're gonna have to measure your left leg and you're gonna have to measure your right leg. So keep the left leg straight, bend your right leg. Don't come all the way up here, but put your foot next to your knee, okay? And then you have your box here. So you wanna keep this straight, hands on top of each other. If you start stretching and you stretch like this, I'm gonna take this measurement and not this one. So you wanna keep both of them together. So when you get ready, all right, knee straight, knee right here, hands on top of each other, put on the box, put your head down, and stretch as far as you can, and hold it. This is your measurement right there, all right? So my measurement would be 12 inches. So hold it right here. If your knee comes up, then it goes further, and that's cheating. So you gotta make sure this stays down and both hands right there. Let's say, for instance, that when you get this set up, and this is as far as you can, just mark your score as a 7 for now, and I know what that means. So we should start at 7 and slide it forward. After I'm done with my left leg, then I'm gonna put them both straight down, my left leg bends, my right leg is straight, and we're gonna measure the right leg same way. Hands on top of each other, on the box, put your head down, keep your knees straight, and stretch as far as you can. So that would be 12 inches also. So that is how you do the sit and reach test. This is how you make your box. Do not forget to turn in your score. And all of your fitness cram tests are hopefully, keep your fingers crossed, due by March the 24th. So that gives you about 2 weeks to finish all of your fitness crams. The rest of this week, during spring break, and a little bit when we get back.